Hi everyone! Today we're going to crochet these cute jellyfishes. That's the second pattern devoted to sea creatures. If you haven't seen the previous one, which is the crochet tutorial, I'll leave a card on the top of the screen and a link in the description box below. First, let's look at the materials and tools you'll need to crochet jellyfish, and then move on to the pattern itself. I'll use plush yarn, 2 colors, that's the yardage. I've got a lot of leftovers, so it's a great way to use them. Then 4mm crochet hook, a wide eye sewing needle, scissors, some fiber fill, amigurumi eyes, and a transparent glue for them. Any type of markers, I'll use a thread of a contrasting color. Then some embroidery floss, 0.75mm crochet hook, and a small sewing needle. That's it, let's start crocheting! I start by 2 chain stitches and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the first chain. Mark the rounds beginning and then crochet the single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. The round is ready. Now you need to make 6 increases, which means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. The second increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The third one, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The fourth one, 1, 2, increase number 5, 1, 2, and the last one, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The round is ready and we continue increasing a single crochet stitch followed by an increase 6 times. An increase, a single crochet stitch, an increase again, 1, 2, a single crochet stitch, an increase, 1, 2, a single crochet stitch, an increase again, 1, 2, a single crochet stitch, an increase, 1, 2, and the last time a single crochet stitch and an increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The round is ready. Now 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. 1, 2, the first increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 1, 2, an increase again, 1, 2, an increase. Now 2 more single crochet stitches, 2, an increase, again 1, 2, an increase, and the last time 1, 2, and the last increase, 1, 2. We need to crochet one more round with increases till we get 30 stitches in total. So crochet 3 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. 1, 2, 3, an increase, 1, 2, 3, an increase again, 1, 2, 3, an increase, 1, 2, 3, an increase, 1, 2, 3, and the last increase. The round is ready and we are going to crochet 5 even rounds. It means you crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. No increases or decreases needed. I'll skip a bit and meet you when all the even rounds are ready. That's the end of round 10 and all the even rounds are ready. Now we need to crochet 30 single crochet stitches, back loops only. That's the front one. And this one is called the back one. So 30 stitches, back loops only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. The round is ready and you can see all the front loops are here, and we are going to use them later when decorating the jellyfish. Now we start decreasing in a similar way. We increased 3 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. To make a simple decrease, insert the hook into the first stitch, grab the thread and pull it. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the thread and pull it again. And now crochet through all 3 loops you've got on the hook. I make invisible decreases. I insert the hook through front loops only of the 2 stitches and then crochet through both loops on the hook. In this case, a decrease looks like a simple stitch. Now 3 single crochet stitches again, 3, the second decrease, 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, a decrease, again 1, 2, 3, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, 1 more decrease, 1, 2, 3, and the last decrease for this round. I'm going to crochet 2 more rounds with decreases, and I want to make the belly more flat, so I'll crochet 12 decreases. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one, 12. The round is ready and I'm going to stuff the detail before continuing crocheting. I've already stuffed the hat and it looks like this, and now I'm going to make the last round and I'll crochet 6 decreases. The first one, decrease number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The hat is ready. I cut the thread, pull it through the loop. Now I'm going to decorating, making something similar to a skirt. Insert the hook into a front loop, left in round 11. That's the round's beginning. Now attach the thread of a different color. Make a chain stitch. And then crochet 3 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. I'll skip a bit again. That's what I've got. Now cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Looks perfect! Now let's fasten off and weave in details. First, let's tighten the hole. Insert the needle into front loops only, one by one. Then tighten a bit, insert the needle into the center, then fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. the next tails. Connect the edges first, then fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. After that, fasten the second tail and weave it in. The head is ready and we're going to crochet the tentacles next. I'll show you 3 different types of tentacles. For the first kind of tentacles, I make 20 chain stitches. The chain of 20 is ready. Now I'll crochet 3 single crochet stitches in each chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, and so on. The detail will shape itself in the process of crocheting. Now cut the thread, pull it through the loop, and arrange the curls a bit. Don't forget to leave a tail for sewing. Now the second type of tentacles, 20 chain stitches again. After the chain is ready, crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each chain stitch, starting from the second stitch from the hook. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop. You can see that the second type of tentacles is longer and thinner. Now the third type of tentacles, 20 chain stitches again, and now a single crochet stitch in each chain stitch, starting from the second chain from the hook. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop, leave a tail for sewing. The third tentacle is the longest and the thinnest. You can make all 3 types or choose just one type. I made 3 thin tentacles in total, 2 tentacles of the second type and just 1 of the first type. I'm going to attach the thicker ones in the middle and the thinnest ones on the edge. I sew the tentacles one by one using the tail left. I fasten the threads at the end and then weave in the tails. All the tentacles are attached and the jellyfish is almost ready. I glue the eyes using a transparent glue, one by one. Press a bit to fasten and leave the glue to dry. Almost ready, and you can leave it like that, but I'm going to crochet a smile. I'll use a floss for embroidery of a matching color and a thin hook. I made a chain of 10 stitches in total. You can have more or less stitches. Just try it on your toy and see what's better for you. Cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing. Now sew the smile on your toy. Now fasten the threads and weave in the tails. The jellyfish is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to follow DidyToys. If you have any suggestions what tutorial I should make next, just let me know in the comments. See you!